In this video, I'll show you a very simple way to actually create a group chat on Instagram. It's not hard, so yeah, first hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below which country are you watching this video from. Also, comment down below if you have any questions around the video. I would love to help you out. So you want to go to your messages, just like I did right here. You want to click on messages. From there, you want to click on the top right corner where the pencil is. And there you want to navigate to create a group chat. Select the people you want to start the group chat with. For example, Elon Musk and I don't know, Jeff, whatever, die. And you want to create the name of the group chat right here. You click on create group chat and that's it. I also have a video on how to leave a group chat and how to create custom themes just like so. For example, we can have this one. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Hit the like button. See you next video. Bye.